old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a boom bap here, a click clack there, hit them pigs in the face everywhere. Like if you walk up into my sights, you might go night night. I'ma hit a pig in the dark. I'm a wolf nigga, I go bark. If I come to my park, and you might get lit up like a spark. I'ma hit you with the rod with the blicky, and you know that my fingers stay sticky. If I catch you lacking, I get itchy. I'ma hit you and all the pigs in your city like boom. What you gonna do? Run from the big bad wolf. Who is you? I am the one with all the drums. My roosters they shooting, my ducks they be quacking. All of my people in the back, yeah they bracking. Why you be acting like you a tough guy? I'ma shoot that pig in the left eye, right one. If you wanna die, you gon' end up in the mine. Dismiss him.
The Three Little Pigs have a rap track. Wait a minute, okay? Nursery rhyme? Hey, y'all. Okay, guys. This is a new type of nursery rhyme I just found, okay? I ain't gonna lie, okay? When I found it, I might have listened to it once, and it was a bop, and I just felt like we all need a vibe on this, because like I never realized you could take a nursery rhyme like Three Little Pigs and turn it into what this dude did, what Jools TV did, okay? So we finna skip all the chit chat, the pit back, the lickety rickety slick tick tack, and get into this reaction. Alright, so this is Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf by Jools TV. Okay, this is, I'm telling y'all right now, Big Bad Wolf, not me, not yo. I had to bop this a little bit because this is a track for sure.
What's poppin'? What's shaking? Man, I'm in the mood for bacon.
Everyone on for cover.
Don't make me break in.
Y'all heard that? Y'all hear those notes they hit? Everyone on for cover. Y'all hear it, bro? This is better than 95% of you artists these days. I'm telling you right now, yo, the Big Bad Wolf and the Three Little Pigs, they did it different, okay? We're gonna reload the team just so you guys can really soak in the fact that that kid hit that high note and the bars that are already span the first 21 seconds.
Who's afraid of the Big Bad Wolf? Not me.
That boy is
not me.
Benny
Who's
Hanna.
afraid of the Big Bad Wolf? Not me. Not me. Who's afraid of the Big Bad Wolf? Not me. Not me. Not me.
What's poppin'? What's shaking? Man, I'm in the mood for bacon.
Everyone on for cover.
Don't make me break in. Don't be scared. You don't have to hide. You don't have
Wait,
to.
I just took it the fact that the Big Bad Wolf, why he black as hell? Why his voice sound black as hell? Why did they have to make the bad guy the black? But that's okay though, that's okay. That's okay because like, you know, I'm a dog, I'm a wolf myself.
The more you run, the bigger you make my appetite. Your house is made of hay. I blow that down in a major way. It's lunchtime and I ain't came to play. When I huff and puff, it's gonna fade away. I'ma make this quick so I don't need a countdown. It's a huff and puff and I blow your house down. What's this? A house that's made of real sticks? I'ma blow this thing down real quick, cause I'm a bad boy like Will Smith.
I'ma blow that thing down real quick, cause I'm a bad boy like Will Smith. You know, bad boy, cause bad boys, Will Smith was the bad one of the bad. Yo, stop playing with me, okay? This has bars in it. Y'all just not, y'all letting it fly over your head. Don't let them fly over your head like that. Yo, stay focused, guys.
Big Bad Wolf, you just a scared little piglet. Open up and let me in, cause I'm in the mood for some rib tips or some roast beef or some ham hocks. Brussels sprouts with some pork chops.
Damn.
Mac and cheese with some french fries and wash it down with some orange pop. Man, I'm starting in the store, it's locked. I'ma make this quick so I don't need a countdown. As I huff and puff and I blow your house down. What's poppin'? What's shaking? Man, I'm in the mood for bacon.
Everyone on for cover.
Don't make me break in. Don't be scared. You don't have to hide. You don't have to fight. The more you run,
Yo, why
the
the
bigger.
kid? Y'all see? Why is his mouth doing that though? Why is there so much salivation?
Can you make my appetite?
mouth looking hella
I got
moist.
all three of y'all. Let's see what's poppin' now. I know this house legit and it's made of bricks, but I'm still gonna knock it down. I ain't playing around when it comes to my pork chops. Even though I got the door unlocked, I be holding the crown when it comes to blowing it down. This house was built like it's
you
going to knock.
can't blow down a brick house. You can't blow down a brick house. Why? Cause it's made of bricks. Cause I passed the brick.
Ooh, I could blow a little faster, but if I did, then I probably need my asthma pump. I'm coming in, your time is up. When I huff and puff, then I'ma turn this house to dust. You got me using all my energy. I think it's time that I found a new remedy. I'm a dangerous man, but the change of plans of this time, I'ma climb through the chimney. Boy, that's hot. I got burned by a boiling pot.
Yeah.
Tried to break in and get some pig skins and I failed it. Boy, I'm shocked.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm leaving. I think I'm going vegan. I learned a valuable lesson today. The looks can be deceiving.
Y'all learned that too? Looks can be deceiving. Just because they're pigs doesn't mean that they can't fight the wolf off, okay? Because a pig, right, if we really look at this mathematically, scientifically, pigs are actually one of the therapeutic animals of the survival nature. You know what I'm saying? So they really got the brain cells on lock. So technically, the wolf is outmatched when it comes to the pig. But it depends what type of pig we talking about, you know what I'm saying?
I blew down the one with the sticks. I blew down the one with the hay.
Yeah.
Come blow down the one with the bricks.
Nope.
I guess it's just this is my day. What can I say? I usually slay, but I guess I'm not as bad as I look. There's one for the books. That's when they started to sing Who's Afraid of the Big
That's
Bad
crazy
Wolf.
though. That's crazy because his leg would have been bleeding still. Y'all saw that in the bear trap?
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Not me, not me, not me. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Not me, not me. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Not me, not me, not me.
Y'all see it? Yo, that what the what? Hold up, wait a minute. I ain't ever made it this far. Hold up, wait. We gonna go back a little bit. What I just see? First of all, that's crazy because like they just unzip their skin off. Yeah, you're about to get messed up by a wolf now. Yeah, see now y'all messed up. Okay, so you telling me the wolf was a whole baby? That baby had a deeper voice than me. That's what you're trying to say. Well, whoever created this infant, you got a problem. I don't know what was in your DNA to give that baby a grown ass, 6-year-old old ass man, fucking Uncle Ruckus head ass, fucking what the hell? Dude, why is his voice like? He sound like Pop Smoke on some NF shit, bro. That's crazy.